G'day, Michael here. In thinking about what I'm going to be doing with this bandsaw, I realise, of course, that when I put the two extrusions on here, there'll be an area for things to get trapped. And using a bandsaw, because you tend to use a bandsaw for odd-shaped things and maybe curved cuts and whatnot, it's not good to have any traps anywhere on the table that might snag anything that you're doing. So what I'll have to do, if I'm expecting to put these extrusions here and here, I've got to make sure that there's nothing that can snag whatever I'm cutting towards the back here. So what I'll need to do today is cut this edge here square to the front edge, and I'm going to actually make a bit of a recess to allow for some 16mm board, which is common thickness material here, to butt up against and provide a little bit of a seat, the covers and so forth of the bandsaw. Okay, so I guess I have to strip. Obviously, but it'll be basically the same process as what I did to the front and back edge, except I'll be stopped at that 16mm. I'll probably make it like 16.5mm to make sure the 16mm is below. Beautiful. On either end of the table. So that'll work out quite nicely. It is very tiny. Yeah, that'll be perfect. That'll be good. I'll arrow that off so it's not sharp. I can't believe how good that is. The edge is absolutely beautiful. So we'll take it out. Yesterday in the workshop, well actually outside, we exceeded 40 degrees here, 40 degrees centigrade. Okay. That's looking quite nice. I'll need to put some cleats on the underside to give me something to fix to, so that this is held in place. Flattening battery here. Okay, this glue is designed to stick porous to non-porous materials. I'm just putting a little bit on here more as a, I don't know, to stop creep, so that when I apply pressure with the Well, I guess that's it for this video. I've now got the two aluminium extrusions mounted. I've got my little, it's really an infill piece, it's not really a table extension, but it's just to stop anything from catching on this back extrusion. And the reason why I have two extrusions is I intend to have the front being like the primary guide for the fence, but I want the ability to lock at the back of the fence as well to make it more secure. I've yet to design the fence, I guess that's the next project. But anyhow, that's this stage done. Feel free to like, share, subscribe, ask a question, leave a comment, make a suggestion for a video you'd like to see.